In this lesson, we will learn more about the Communications tab. First, we will log on as an administrator and go to the Communications tab under the Admin navigation menu. Next, you will see multiple tabs. The first tab is Email. Here, you can add your own email templates. Now, these templates can be all types of emails, from one-time messages to a selected group, to system messages that can send to a distribution group whenever it's appropriate. In the next tab, we see Distribution Lists. Let's add a new distribution list by selecting the Add New Distribution List button. We will now give the list a name. In the next tab over, called User Groups, we can select an existing user group to add to this distribution list. Select the Test Filters button below to see the list of individuals in this distribution list that you selected. Our next tab over is Basic User Info. This tab contains various filters that will help us build the distribution list. After you populate your filter, use the Test Filter button below to determine if you have the desired result. Now close the window and select Save. We have now created a new distribution list. Our next tab is Custom User Info. This tab requires some knowledge of SQL text. Here you can write a SQL statement that matches a dedicated group of users in the LMS that you want to send an email to. The LMS will only send an email to the people that match this SQL statement. Select the blue Help and Examples link to learn some correct examples of SQL statements that can be used here. The next 4 tabs are for Content, Learning Tracks, Class Sessions, and Webinar Sessions. These all function the same as on other tabs for assigning and removing content types. Now we will look at the Email tab. From this page, we can send emails to distribution lists. We also have the option to delay and choose a time of delivery in the future. The next tab is for sending administrator alerts when users are added, deleted, or when the status has changed. There are checkboxes and several drop-down fields to help manage maintenance of your LMS roster. In the next tab, Email History, you can search for sent emails by date or by username. This concludes this lesson on the Communications tab.